In my previous video, the last lesson, part फर्स्ट, हम लोगों ने कहानी को लिटिल फ्रेंच और एम हैमल की कहानी पढ़ी थी. In this lesson, we have introduced the condition of very morning scene when little French was going to attend the school. He also found some crowd before the bulletin board. When he entered the school, the environment of the school was silent, like Sunday. So he was highly surprised. His very most surprising condition occurred when he found the dress of M. Hamel. When he entered the class, he found changed behavior of his teacher, who did not become angry. He behaved with him very affectionate condition. He found in the class not only students but also the respected member of the village society and also village people were sitting in the last benches of the class. हमारी स्टोरी कल यहाँ तक पहुँची थी. इसके आगे का While I was wondering about it all, M. Hamel mounted his chair and, in the same grave and gentle tone which he had used to me, said, wondering, surprising. Mounted, sat. Sit का second form, sat. Grave, serious. When little French was surprising about the changing condition of the class, M. Hamel sat his chair and, in the same identified seriousness and polite tone, he said, "My children, this is the last lesson I shall give you. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alask and Lorraine. He is informing about the last lesson of the day. Because from Berlin, one order already came that from next day, in the schools of Alaska and Lorraine, German will be taught. The new master comes tomorrow, and the new master appointed by the government of Berlin, who will come on next day. This is your last French lesson. I want you to be very attentive. Attentive, pay attention. So, this is your last lesson of French. I need your fully attentive position in the class." What a thunderclap these words were to me. Thunderclap, like thundering sound. These words were dropping me just like the thundering sound. Oh, the wretches! That was what they had put up at the town hall. Put up, written. Wretches, sad persons. लिटिल फ्रेंच ने अनुमान किया, अच्छा तभी वो भीड़ लगी हुई थी जो पढ़ रहे थे, लोग बुला रहे थे मुझको टाउन हॉल पर. यही सूचना लिखी हुई थी कि कल से जर्मन लेसन पढ़ाए जाएंगे. My last French lesson. Why, I hardly knew how to write. आज मेरा अंतिम फ्रेंच लेसन है. Why, I hardly knew how to write. This is the last lesson. Even I am not able to know how to write single syllable. I should never learn anymore. He is thinking in himself that he should learn more about the French, but he has no knowledge, primary knowledge, and today is the last lesson. I must stop there. Then, oh, how sorry I was for not learning my lessons. Little French is repenting, पश्चाताप कर रहा है। कितना मुझे दुख है कि मैंने अपने पाठ को नहीं सीखा है, मुझे और सीखना चाहिए, लेकिन आज आखिरी दिन है। Why I was not learning for my lesson? He is giving the reason for seeking birds' eggs or going sliding on the Sar. Sliding फिसलने का झूला, सार नाम का झूला. Because he was busy for the searching the eggs of the birds. He was busy for taking enjoyment for Sar on the sliding. My books that had seemed such innocence a while ago, innocence, noise. Few minutes before, little French is thinking. His books were like a noise for him, so heavy to carry. His books were very heavy to carry. My grammar, my history of the sons were old friends now. But now he was finding changed condition in his mind. Those books, grammar, history of sons, which was burden before few moments, that I am finding myself, these books are very friend for me. I couldn't give up. I could not give up. I could not dream to give up these books even a string, because today is the last lesson. जो किताबें उसको अभी तक बोझ लग रही थी, आज वही किताबें उसे अपनी फ्रेंड्स लगने लगीं और उन किताबों को छोड़ने का वो एक भी मौका नहीं पाना चाहता था। देखिए, समय की साथ उसकी सोच में भी बदलाव है। जिस माहौल से वो भागना चाहता था, जिन किताबों को वो पढ़ना नहीं चाहता था, लेकिन जब उसे पता चला कि आज मेरी आखिरी क्लास है और आज के बाद मुझे फ्रेंच की क्लास नहीं मिलेगी, तो वह पढ़ाई के प्रति कितना अधिक पॉजिटिव हो गया और उसे वही चीज़ें अच्छी लगने लगीं जिनके लिए वह भागा करता था। एंड एम हेमल टू द आइडिया दैट ही वॉज गोइंग अवे, दैट आई शुड नेवर सी हिम अगेन, मेड मी फॉरगेट all about his ruler and how cranky he was. Cranky, cynical. And little French was thinking also about his teacher M. Hamel when he thought that he was going away and he will not be able to see him again. He forgot all the cynical condition, how strict he was. लिटिल फ्रेंच ने जब जाना कि एम हेमल अब जाने वाले हैं और अब वो उनसे कभी नहीं मिल पाएगा, तो उनके प्रति उनका कठोरता का व्यवहार भी वो भूल गया और वो एम हेमल को पसंद करने लगा। पुअर मैन, इट वाज इन ऑनर ऑफ दिस लास्ट लेसन दैट ही हैड पुट ऑन हिज फाइन संडे क्लॉथ्स। ये बेचारे व्यक्ति, गांव के व्यक्तियों के लिए कह रहा है, पुअर मैन, ये गांव के बेचारे व्यक्ति, इट वाज इन ऑनर ऑफ दिस लास्ट लेसन, द पर्सन्स of the village society who had come here to join the class. They came only for to show their respect for his last lesson. And M. Hamel put on his fine Sunday clothes. And now I understood why the old men of the village were sitting there in the back of the room. Now I am able to understand why the great and respected person of the society were sitting in the backside benches of the class. It was because they were sorry too that they had not gone to school more. This is happened because they were feeling very sorry for not joining the class before today. These persons were showing their respect towards M. Hamel's service. It was their way of thanking our master for his 40 years of faithful service and of showing their respect for the country that was theirs no more. ये गांव के लोग अपने उस स्कूल के उस टीचर के लिए आए थे जो 40 सालों तक अपनी वफादारी पूर्ण सेवा को देता रहा था और अपना सम्मान उसके प्रति व्यक्त करने के लिए आए थे, उस देश के लिए जो देश अब उनका न था. These village society persons joined class only to show the. While I was thinking of all this, I heard my name called. Little French was thinking about the purpose of village person to join the class. Meanwhile, he heard his name. It was my turn to recite. Recite, sing. He knew that it was his turn to sing about the participles. What would I not have given to be able to say that dreadful rule for the participle, although dreadful, horrible. That participle rule for what? He had not gained much knowledge before. So without any mistake, in full voice, it was very hard to recite that rule very loud, clear, without one mistake. It was very horrible task for little French to speak that rule without mistake in very loud voice due to not having primer knowledge about participle before. But I got mixed up the first words and stood there. I made some mistakes in that rule and stood as a guilty person, holding on to my desk, my heart beating, holding on, catching. Little French caught his desk. His heart was pounding. His heart was gasping, not daring to look up. Daring to look up, gathered courage. There was no courage in the heart of little French because he was feeling guilty before the teacher and also before all village society. I heard M. Hamel say to me, I would not scold you, little French. M. Hamel ने मुझसे कहा जब मैं लिटिल फ्रेंच ने पार्टिसिपल के रूल को नहीं बता पाया तो उन्होंने उससे कहा, मैं तुम्हें डांटूंगा नहीं स्कॉट, यू मस्ट फील बैड इनफ, आई होप यू आर फीलिंग वेरी बैड, सी हाउ इट इज, every day we have said to ourselves, see, look the conditions, आज तुम किस स्थिति में आ गए हो। We have said to ourselves, हम लोग अपने आप से कहते हैं, डियर स्टूडेंट, इन दिस लाइन देयर इज ए ग्रेट मोरल मैसेज टू यू। हर बच्चा ये कहता है, अरे अभी तो बहुत महीने पड़े हैं, पेपर दूर हैं, तैयारी हो ही जाएगी, और धीमे धीमे हमारे पेपरों के दिन भी आ जाते हैं, एग्ज़ाम का दिन आ जाता है और हमें वही कोर्स बहुत ही भारी लगने लगता है। आज फ्रेंच के साथ भी यही हुआ। फ्रेंच दिन भर इन्जॉयमेंट करता रहा और आज जब लास्ट डे था वो नहीं बता पाया। टीचर कह रहे हैं, एवरी डे वी हैव सेड टू आवरसेल्व्स, प्रतिदिन हम अपने आप से कहते हैं, वाह आई हैव प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम, प्लेंटी अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, हमारे पास बहुत समय है, आई विल लर्न इट टुमारो, और हम इसे कल याद कर लेंगे। एंड नाउ यू सी वेयर वी हैव कम आउट, और अब तुम देखो हम कहाँ आ गए। You postponed your learning work on tomorrow, then tomorrow, then tomorrow, and you are able to find what is the actual condition of yours. Ah, that is the great trouble with Alaska. She puts off learning till tomorrow. Not only yours condition, this condition is also full Alaska. All Alaska pupils had the same problem. Every person postponed the situation of learning on tomorrow. Now, those fellows out there will have the right to say to you, those fellows का यहाँ पर अर्थ है जर्मन गवर्नमेंट, जर्मन लोग। एट दिस पॉइंट द जर्मन पीपल विल हैव द राइट टू से टू यू, हाउ इज इट यू प्रिटेंड टू बी फ्रेंचमैन एंड yet you can neither speak nor write your own language. कल जब जर्मन्स के लोग यहाँ आएंगे और तुमसे तुम्हारी ही भाषा में अगर उन्होंने बात की तो वो क्या कहेंगे? प्रेटेंड एक्सक्यूज। वो कहेंगे कि ये देखो फ्रेंच में जो ना तो बोल सकते हैं ना लिख सकते हैं अपनी ही भाषा को, बट यू आर नॉट द फर्स्ट, लेकिन तुम सबसे बुरे नहीं, पुअर लिटिल फ्रेंच। We have all a great deal to reproach ourselves with. Reproach, defame. There are many factors for the poor condition of yours. Not only you are responsible, but many other persons are responsible for yours this condition. Your parents were not an excess enough to you learn. An excess tensionized. Your parents were not keen interested for your learning. They preferred to put you to work on a farm or at the mills so as to have a little more money. Your parents were very interested to send you for the earning money in a field or in a mill. And I have been to blame also. M. Hamel is rebuking also himself. He said, I am also liable for your condition. Have I not often sent you to water my flowers instead of learning your lessons? Often, frequently, I have sent you many times for the watering flowers on the cost of your learning. And when I wanted to go fishing, did I not just give you holiday? Not only this, whenever I want to go fishing, I announced holiday for yours. देखिए, एम हैमल एक टीचर के रूप में कितने फ्रैंक बोल रहे हैं। जब लिटिल फ्रेंच पढ़ाए गए चैप्टर को बता नहीं पा रहा है तो उन्होंने बोला कि कल जब जर्मन आएंगे तो जर्मन आपके फ्रेंच मैन होने पर कैसे विश्वास करेंगे जब वो पाएंगे कि आप ना तो अपनी भाषा को लिख सकते हैं, ना ही समझ सकते हैं, पढ़ सकते हैं। लिटिल फ्रेंच की कंडीशन के लिए उन्होंने लिटिल फ्रेंच को ही जिम्मेदार नहीं बताया, लिटिल फ्रेंच के लिए उनके माता पिता को भी जिम्मेदार बताया, जो माता पिता उसको या उनके जैसे और बच्चों को खेतों पर, मिल में काम करने के लिए भेजना चाहते थे ताकि कुछ पैसा आए बजाय पढ़ाई के। एम हैमल ने अपने आप को भी दोषी ठहराया है, क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा कि मैंने तुम्हें पढ़ाने की जगह कई बार तुम्हें फूलों में पानी देने के काम पे लगा दिया था। उन्होंने याद किया जब वो फिशिंग के लिए जाना चाहते थे तब उन्होंने उसकी हॉलीडे को अनाउंस कर दिया था। नाउ दिस इज द पार्ट सेकेंड ऑफ दिस लेसन, and in the third part and last part of this lesson I will explain this whole text, last part of the text. I hope you are very well understood already. Thank you. Have a nice day.